Hello everyone, this is Shell. Today I'm going to introduce our new high-efficiency mini-ITX board, KINO-DH310. First of all, I would like to introduce the feature of this board. Okay, so you can see on the picture, here's our KINO-DH310. And we use Coffee Lake platform for this board, and it can support the latest generation 8 Intel Core i3, i5, i7, Pentium Celeron processor up to 6 cores and 12 threads. Additionally, it supports dual channel DDR4 floating memory up to 64 GB. Compared with previous 6 cores and 6 threads CPU, it's absolutely real high efficiency mini ITX board. Moreover, the wide temperature designed from 0 to 60 degrees, making sure your high efficiency data transmission never get lost, even in harsh environment. So let's take a look at I/O ports. On the screen you can see, actually it's a multifunctional mini ITX board. If we talk about the video function, you can find that there has 2 HDMI ports, which can use dual independent displays up to 4K resolution. If you don't use HDMI ports, it's okay. We have display ports which can support the HDMI, DVI, VGA, and LVDS. It depends on your requirements. And if we talk about the expansion function, it has M.2 slots. It has 2 M.2 slots. One is A key and the other one is M key. It allows you to use both storage and wireless expansion card in the same time. And when we talk about the various applications, this board has 8 USB ports, 4 COM ports, and also 1 PCIe by 16 slots. So you can use in different kind of applications, and it has enough flexibility to extend the function. And except those I/O ports, we also have one key recovery function. It's only IEI have this one key recovery backup solution, which saves the operating system surrounding anytime and recover your system to the latest situation while there has a system problem. And our boards can use Windows 10 and Linux operating system. And we are willing to help you if you have any other requirements on the system. I believe all of these features are too many for you to remember, so I would like to remind you again. First, our board supports 8th generation Intel Coffee Lake processor. And second, we have wide temperature supports from 0 to 60 degrees. And third, we support the dual independent display by the HDMI ports. Fourth, our HDMI ports can support up to 4K resolution. The fifth, we have 2 M.key slots. One is A key and the other one is M key, which can support the storage and wireless in the same time. And 6, we have 8 USB ports, 4 COM ports, and 1 PCIe by 16 slots. Okay, and the last, our board can support IEI 1 key recovery solution and Windows 10 Linux operating system. So let's talk about the applications. Our boards can be used in industrial IoT, smart building, and smart retail. For the industrial IoT, because of its wide temperature supports and also its high efficiency data transmission, so it can be used in the industrial IoT easily. It can be used in the harsh environment. And it can also use in the kiosk and gambling applications. So how can we use in these 2 applications? Because it has HDMI ports, 2 HDMI ports, which you can extend the screen to the 2 independent display. And it can connect to other devices by a lot of I/Os, which we mentioned before, like USB ports, like COM ports. And we have two chases, which you can use our board in these chases. One is EBC3200 and the other one is EBC3220. I believe all of you are already understand this product well. If you have any further questions, please kindly contact with our sales or scan this barcode to our official website. So this is all the introduction today. Thank you for your watching.